If you think I'm original, I'm not. I'm actually an AI. Athhexx created me. And if you don't believe me, check the iCard right here.
In this video, we are gonna push AI to its absolute limits. So let's begin.
Wheel. What about this? Definitely not what I expected. Let's try this again.
This much is better. This is absolutely better. The formal outfit, each and everything. Trust me, guys. Higgsfield Recast is absolutely amazing. But what if I say you, I can change my entire identity and my whole voice in just few minutes, just few clicks?
How's it? Absolutely amazing, right? Let's try one more line. Here we go.
Hi, mother met Thanks, this is miss. Yeah.
And trustly, in this video, we are exactly gonna see how we can create this stuff in just few minutes again, so even in seconds. Without wasting our time, let's begin.
So finally, this is that platform, and trust me, this is absolutely crazy. The one of the biggest and topmost AI feature is live now, and I'm gonna show you the exact tutorial how you can clone yourself. You can create any of the video you wanna, just upload your normal reel and you're all done. So now let's explore few of the options here. As you can see in the character, we can see the basic face swap, where you can face swap your photo and images, and that's all done. And now we'll focus on the topmost option. This is that, as you can see, Recast Studio. So we get plenty of the characters here. So basically what you have to do is you have to upload your source video here. That source video will be the raw footage of yourself or any of the video in which you wanna clone the character or any stuff, right? So it's absolutely easiest way to do this, and let me show you how. So at very first, let's explore this. Okay, so as you can see, there are plenty of characters inbuilt which you can try out, and trust me, this is the absolute accuracy with each and every hand action as well as minor details. And even you can dub your own voice. Yes, you can even change your voice, you can even import your voice, the voice which you wanna, and it's literally mind blowing. So you get plenty of the voices here of male, female, and many more. So let's try this, and I'll exactly show you how you can do it. And even you can change the background. This is absolutely crazy, right? Like, for real, I'm saying, when I saw this option, like, I was literally surprised, like, what the Higgsfield has created, man. Like, it's absolutely mind blowing. You get plenty of the languages from here too. And now let's start. I have finally uploaded a pure image of the Mr. Bean, and what I'm doing is I'm uploading my raw footage. Okay, and now it's absolutely simple. Just select the voice if you wanna. As you can see, I am selecting the Andrew here. Like, I am looking at the Andrew, and many of the voices are present, and I'm selecting this casual one. You can try anyone you wanna, and just click on generate. So it'll take time. Yes, it'll take time, but max to max up to 5 minutes. And trust me, guys, the more it will take time, the more refined your output will be. And as you know, great things takes time, right? So it's absolutely perfect. We'll wait for the outcome, but trust me, the outcome gonna be crazy for real. Like, you have seen the output footages which in the starting of the video, and I'm damn sure that it was something absolutely awesome. So let's wait for just few more time, and trust me, this platform is ruling the world of AI currently. For influencers, it's the best deal breaker. Like, you don't have to care about your background and stuff, right? You can even change your background from here. Just take off your camera, record a raw footage of yours, upload on this platform, and select the character whatever you wanna. No one can even judge, no one can even say that it's fake. So as you can see, finally the output is ready, and we'll try this out. Okay, and now let's check how the actual output is. And this is something awesome for real. Well, I'll attach the basic output video here so that you can watch it fully and check how the actual output is.
Wheel. What about this? Definitely not what I expected. Let's try this again.
So now let's try for another one. So you might be thinking why the footage was kinda blur, because it was due to my hand movement of the Android, you can see, due to which the footage was kinda blur, but it was up to the point. Now let's try for another stuff. Okay, now finally I have uploaded one more video, and this time this will be perfect as hell. So let's see what outcome we get. And trust me, I love this background. Okay, I love this background option. Even though it is a green screen here and there, you can apply any of the background you wanna, and in the future too you will get many more plenty of the options here. Trust me, this is your perfect chance to launch your influencer online and make a ton of money out of it by dealing with the brands for their brand deals and sponsorships. This is absolutely the great opportunity, and people are earning from it right now. So as you can see, finally the video is ready, and just look at the accuracy, man. This is literally something crazy, you can say. Just look at the accuracy, each and everything, the hair details, the hand movement, everything is literally up to the point, sharp as hell.
This much is better. This is absolutely better. The formal outfit, each and everything. Trust me, guys. Higgsfield Recast is absolutely amazing. But what if I say you, I can change my entire identity and my whole voice in just few minutes, just few clicks.
So all done with this. Now let's try something even more crazier. Now I'm gonna turn myself into a female character with a female voice, and this is also gonna be a checkpoint for us to test whether this application is capable of turning a male character into a female one, that too in the video or not. So let's see what our final outcome will be. So as usual, it will take up to the 5 minutes, and even your performance of your machine will also depend on this stuff. So it's not that much big deal though. Finally the video has been completed, and just check the outcome. It had worked very much neatly.
How's it? Absolutely amazing, doubt. Let's try one more line. Here we go.
Okay, so basically, even if you give a one more to try, you will just crack that consistency up. No doubt in that. Check this too. This is also perfect, and it's me only, but in the female character.
Hi, mother matter this. Thanks, this is miss. Yeah.
Best feature I ever got till now is this AI tool, and I'm absolutely damn sure that it will help you a lot, a lot, a lot. So till that time, this much for this video. Make sure you explore that another video too, and we'll meet in the next video with awesome content like this. Till that time, keep exploring.